Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the demo of my Jarvis desktop virtual assistant. So let's start this video. I just started it.
Initializing all systems.
Now it
All systems are online, sir.
and show the time, the
Good
date,
afternoon, Sir Abdul Rahman.
the
It's
temperature,
0113 p.m.
and the
I am Jarvis Prototype 0.1 Alpha Beta. How may I assist you today, Sir Abdul Rahman?
Jarvis, what can you do?
Recognizing. I can open and close applications. Search on the internet. I can tell you the time. Give you information about anything or anyone. I can email. I can play music and videos on OS and YouTube. I can control the size of application. I can speak programming jokes. I can message on WhatsApp. I can calculate math problems. I can find your location. I do some keyboard tasks.
Jarvis, tell me my location.
Recognizing. Wait, sir, let me check. Sir, I am not sure, but I think we are in the Lahore city of the Pakistan county.
Jarvis, tell me about Imran Khan.
Recognizing. Can you say that again, sir?
Tell me about Imran Khan.
Recognizing. I am searching.
No, it will tell me about Imran Khan.
According to the internet, Imran Ahmed Khan Nizar, Urdu, born October 5, 1952, is the 22nd and current Prime Minister of Pakistan and the chairman of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, PTI. Before entering politics, Khan was an international cricketer and captain of the Pakistan national cricket team, which he led to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup. Khan was born to a Pashtun family in Lahore in 1952, and graduated from Keble College, Oxford in 1975. He began his international cricket career at age 18, in a 1971 Test series against England. Khan played until 1992, served as the team's captain intermittently between 1982 and 1992, and won the Cricket World Cup, in what is Pakistan's first and only victory in the competition.
Search on Google Iron Man.
Recognizing. Searching for Iron Man. Recognizing.
Email to.
Recognizing. To whom I should send the email to.
Dude,
Recognizing. What should the subject be?
you are the best.
Recognizing. What should I say?
All the best, dude. You are the best. All the best.
Recognizing. Email has been sent to.
Play believer.
Recognizing. Playing believer.
Some treasure. They should have me too.
Recognizing. Can you say that again, sir?